Welcome back to another Durst product overview. Today we're here with Frank from Durst.
Thanks, Andrew.
We're lucky to have Frank. What we are looking at today is the Isolation industry-styled, custom-made Hypastart for the aviation industry. If you're new to this, you don't know what they are. It's essentially a Hypastart is a whole new exciting product which doesn't use batteries. It's super light. It's compared to a battery. It'll start your aeroplane, your motor, your system. We'll go through it with Frank now and talk a bit about how this works.
Okay, so today we're looking at the Hypastart Air X2500 model. Now this unit does come in two versions and the 4500. I don't have a 4500 here today, but essentially it's the larger version of this. It's taller than this particular unit, but it's identical as far as that is concerned. Now, quickly to sort of run through these sort of things is that one of the important things with the Hypastart Air is it is multi-voltage. Okay, so we do have a standard, this is the 1224 version, but we do single voltages as well. So we can do a 1224 and we can even do a 2628 volt direct, and when I say precise voltage, so if your aircraft is sensitive on the start side and it needs to look for a specific voltage, we can tailor for that exact voltage.
Isn't that fantastic? That's right. Because this industry is very, very driven by incredible gauges and instrument panels and ECUs and controllers. So we've gone to a lot of trouble, haven't to make sure that your plane, your expensive plane, is well cared for when starting.
That's right. And typically what you'll find is that the X2500 is perfect for all fixed and rotary wing aircraft, ground support vehicles as well.
Really?
Okay, so it covers the whole range. Now, it'll start piston aircraft, typically up to 27 litres, and so there's quite a large sort of area there to start from. If you're starting jet turbines, then we recommend the 4500. The 4500 can sustain long, high current durations to start gas turbine engines.
By comparison, this thing weighs about, what, 13 kilos?
Yes, 13 kilos.
Compared to something of a trolley you're used to seeing at the airports, on the tarmacs. This is going to change everything. This is an exciting new direction for starting of big machinery. And Durst have been synonymous in the mining industry, and they're everywhere in this space with these big, large vehicles and big machinery.
One other important factor of the Hypastart Air is this can be fully discharged. Okay, so it's actually safe for on-plane use. So you can actually discharge this to 0 volts, and you can actually take it on the aircraft with you.
Wow.
Now, and that's because it's an intrinsically safe jump starter, which there's no fear of gas and fire or explosion, because we don't use batteries.
And exactly, and being the weight, being a capacitor, the supercapacitors, it is light. Now compared to the old brother of this from the old years, it was very heavy. You couldn't put it on a plane. I mean, this is just an incredible piece of engineering and aesthetically beautiful. The designing, the industrial design of this, the switches are all protected in case it falls over or rolls. It's just beautiful.
That's right. And we do have this unit certainly has a level of Ingress protection to keep it safe in wet environments. If you need to use it outside in wet weather, it's not a problem with this particular unit. And they do come with a industry standard cap receptacle on board. Very simple control panel, gives you your status and working information, and a switch there that'll get you from 12 to 24 volts or a single voltage, whichever one you prefer.
So, Frank, in terms of leads, what does the customer do with that? Okay,
so with the leads, we do offer custom leads for the Hypastart. Now, the Hypastart does not come with a lead set as standards. You need to tell us what you want. Now, for example, if you require a Cessna-style plug or a plug or a custom plug of any sort, we can cover for that. Basically, one side has the cap receptacle, which goes on that side, and then the other side to whatever you prefer.
I love the fact you're using a cap plug because it's such a versatile but very robust under high voltage.
Correct.
It's incredibly durable, and then the custom leads for your Cessna, whatever plane you have, or a jet, will be available from Durst to order those.
That's right.
Leads.
Our custom leads will go up to 10 metres on the Hypastart. So it's one of the only jump starters where you can actually get a really long distance start and get away from moving propellers if need be. So, typically jump starting can be a rather dangerous event, especially when you're close to moving components. But with the Hypastart, you can actually get very far away from the unit, get the unit behind the aircraft completely, and make a very safe start.
Do you know the research and design that's gone into each of these industry products, as Frank has said, is gone to the highest level, especially in the aviation industry. This product is absolutely incredible. If you want to know more about it, where can they find them?
Well, The Hypastart range is available from the GPC, Napa or Repco, basically.
Wow, incredible.
If you have further information, please call us. We can help you with all that sort of information. And if there's any specifics you need to discuss, we're more than happy to discuss them with you.
Well, there you go. That's the Hypastart for the aviation industry. I love the plane on here. It's a beautiful little on the A. Congratulations. Thank you, Frank, for showing us this amazing product. And we'll see you in the next video and the next product industry review.